Hello everyone, I'm Ilya Evgroshin with Simply Vegas, and today we're exploring the Heritage Model Home in Ashland, a beautiful single-story community located in West Summerlin. With 7 different floor plans available, the Heritage Model offers over 2,700 square feet of living space, featuring 3 to 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. It's the most affordable multi-generational option in this community, with prices starting from just over $1.2 million, not including lot premiums or optional upgrades. So the finished home will be closer to $1.3–1.5 million. As we step into the hallway, you'll find convenient access to every part of the home. Straight ahead, the hallway leads to the main living areas and additional rooms. The home features impressive 12-foot ceilings, enhancing the sense of an open space. The flooring has tile in the common areas, with carpeting in all 3 bedrooms. Now let's explore the first flex room. This space can be tailored to your needs: media room, or a personal gym, or an additional living area. The inclusion of double doors is an optional feature. Taylor Morrison is renowned for crafting open-concept living spaces, and this home is no exception. The great room seamlessly connects to the kitchen and dining area, creating a spacious and inviting environment. Optional features include a cozy fireplace and a 12-foot sliding glass door that opens to the backyard. As we approach the kitchen, you're greeted by an expansive island topped with elegant granite countertops. For those desiring even more room, there's an optional extension available. As we move through the kitchen, you'll notice the high-end appliances from the General Electric Profile collection. The kitchen is equipped with a 5-burner cooktop, complemented by a convenient pot filler, making cooking more efficient. Opposite the cooktop, you'll find a stainless steel sink with 3 pendant lights over it. The design features granite countertops and the same granite backsplash that extends to the ceiling above the wall cabinets. Storage space is pretty good, with multiple drawers and cabinets with a soft close mechanism. There are 2 pantries in the kitchen and great room areas. The second walk-in pantry is generously sized and conveniently accessible from the great room. Located just around the corner, the primary suite offers an efficiently designed retreat. There's ample room for a king-size bed and additional furnishings, all without any wasted space. To enhance your living experience, there are a couple of options available: a door leading directly to the covered outdoor living area, and another door providing direct access to the primary bath. Please note that these features are optional and not included in this particular home. On the left, you'll find dual undermount sinks set into granite countertops, complemented by a 4-inch backsplash and adult-height vanities for added comfort. A standout feature is the optional curbless super shower, which offers a seamless entry and is finished with large format tiles. Alternatively, the standard layout includes a regular size shower and a bathtub on the same side. Would you prefer an enhanced shower or regular layout in your personal bath? At the rear of the bathroom is the standard size walk-in closet. For those Seeking additional storage, there's an upgrade option to expand the closet space into the second flex, providing ample room for your wardrobe and accessories. If you like this content, subscribe for more new home tours on my channel. As we return to the hallway, you'll find a well-appointed secondary bedroom complete with its own full bath. It's a thoughtful upgrade from the standard powder room with a closet typically found in this area. The second flex room has been transformed into 11 by 11 foot bedroom. This versatile space can also serve as a home office or media room, depending on your personal needs. The laundry room in the Heritage model is conveniently located next to the Flex 2 room. While the space is well designed, it's important to note that the washer, dryer, and sink are optional features here. As we proceed toward the Multi-Gen suite located in the front of the home, you'll notice a door on your right leading to the two-car garage. Inside the garage is a tankless water heater and a water softener loop, both included as standard features. Let's step into the Multi-Gen suite. It offers a private and versatile living space, ideal for extended family, guests, or even as a rental opportunity. It features a spacious living area with a kitchenette that includes a small sink, a microwave, and optional fridge. There's also the option to add a door connecting directly to the single-car garage, right next to the corner here. If a multi-gen setup isn't necessary for your lifestyle, this whole area can be configured differently. The floor plan allows for the conversion of the multi-gen suite into 2 additional bedrooms with a full bathroom between them, increasing the total number of bedrooms to 4. Multi-gen suite comfortably accommodates a full or queen-size bed, providing ample space for rest and relaxation. The attached bathroom features a modern curb shower with tile work and a sleek slider door that enhances the contemporary design. Stepping outside, I can tell right away it's a remarkably spacious home lot for Summerlin. It spans over 14,000 square feet, making it one of the largest in Ashland. Additional information about community lots and HOA fees I'll leave in the description under this video. When we're walking around the backyard, you can see these beautiful, stunning views of mountains and city views on the other side. This model includes an optional extended covered outdoor living area that expands to the side of the house. Around the corner there are 2 air conditioning units. They are conveniently located on the side of the house behind the kitchen wall. The property offers beautiful panoramic views of the valley, the Las Vegas Strip, and downtown Las Vegas. This really enhances the home's appeal and providing a beautiful backdrop for daily living. So, what do you think about this home? Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. If you can picture yourself living here, let's make it happen. Reach out to me today at 702-545-7280 to schedule a private tour or to discuss how we can make this dream home yours. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.